For reliable air conditioner repair in Dakota County, Minnesota, turn to Bloomington HVAC Bob Boldt. Our skilled technicians are experts in diagnosing and repairing all types of AC issues, from refrigerant leaks to faulty compressors and everything in between. We pride ourselves on quick response times, exceptional service, and competitive pricing, ensuring your home stays cool and comfortable all summer long. Whether your air conditioner isn't cooling properly or has stopped working altogether, we have the expertise to get it running smoothly again. Trust Bloomington HVAC Bob Boldt for all your air conditioner repair needs in Dakota County. Contact us today at Bloomington HVAC Bob Boldt to learn more about our services. Are you looking for an air conditioner repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Bloomington HVAC Bob Boldt. How do I know if my air conditioner needs repair in Dakota County, Minnesota? Common signs include insufficient cooling, strange noises, foul odors, frequent cycling, or higher energy bills. Bloomington HVAC Bob Boldt can diagnose the issue and provide expert repairs. How much does air conditioner repair cost in Dakota County, Minnesota? Repair costs vary based on the issue in the AC unit's make and model. Bloomington HVAC Bob Boldt offers competitive pricing and free estimates to help you budget for the repair. What is your air conditioner repair service office for Dakota County, Minnesota? Our local air conditioner repair service office have served clients in the surrounding areas of Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, Richfield, Minnesota. Where is your Bloomington HVAC Bob Boldt office? We are located at 8400 Normandale Lake Boulevard, Bloomington, Minnesota 55437, United States. Our phone number is 651-237-3254. Visit our website, https://bobboldt.com/bloomington-.